toes swing, dancing, Nick's Nightclub. Myself, wherever she is, talented Miss Stephanie attempting to hide, which isn't going to be easy. We are going to show you a very cool move that requires a big step for you and your partner. It's the second version of my big step sequence. So big step 2.0. How you do this, guys, leaders, is off of a whip. Okay? Pull her in on 1, turning 2. She does her coaster 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just your basic whip. Nothing new beyond that. Okay? So just going front to back to this way. After we do a sugar push, guys off the track. Make her turn. Make her do a coaster. Guys, get back on the track. From here, though, it changes. So after 4, sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm going to turn my wrist over so my palm is facing the floor. I'm going to turn it over, which is counterclockwise, and I'm going to present a blinker for the follow to say something new is coming. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to make her do an inside turn to her left. 5, 6. I come around her left side, and then I present a 7 and 8. So I'm actually turning and forcing her off the track. So it's easier to see when you're going front to back. You guys gotta lead this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bring my arm down and I pull her forward onto her left foot. And I'm on my right foot. Now, this sequence is something where you can slow down the music, slow down the pattern to a song. If there's a break in the song, it's very cool once you see how it works. So we're going to get to 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and then bring the arm down. 7, and I pull her forward. She's on her left, I'm on my right. Okay, then from there, we take a big step. Okay, sugar push. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. Now I step forward and I turn, a quarter turn to my left, to my right. Stephanie will then do the opposite and start turning to her left. Now we're actually going to touch shoulders. I don't need you to be creepy, but I need you to be connected to her, because what you're doing is slowing down the count, because you want to actually get into that as you bring her forward. So 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1. So I'm actually lowering my body, tilting into her, and then she'll feel that connection as well and probably tilt back. So this is the count. What we're going to do next is half turn. And we're doing it slow, real slow, fast, depending on you. So for the class, we're going like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then you anchor. So guys, I'm in control of that entire rotation to the ending count 12. You can slow it down even more. Your call. So how I lead that is pull her through. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Pull her through. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I turn and actually force myself down on my left foot. If she follows that well, she'll land on her right foot, and then we do an anchor. So it's better to see front to back. Guys, you go off the track just for a moment, and you're back on. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and then you do triple. All right, big step, 2.0, last time. Hope you like this, guys. Triple here. Bring her through. It's a whip. Turn your wrist over. Pull her through. 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, come down, triple step. Pretty cool. I've been doing that one a very long time. She likes it. I think she likes it. I'm sure. I'm going to continue to do it. Thanks, guys. Please put a thumbs up to the video. Please give us a comment if you like it or not. If you see anything bad, she will track it down. And always remember to subscribe. We'll have something for you next time you see us. And until then, and as always, keep dancing. Bye-bye.